Stitcher channel. I'm Shannon the Spoonie Stitcher, that's Ariel, this is part of Ursula Bear, and I'm so happy that you could join all of us today. So today is the very last Crochet Mermaid update for 2023's summer, because I'm done, everyone. I'm so done. One tentacle took me 3 hours, and it didn't work. Luckily, Ursula can come back in October because villains. So, but I'm done. I am done. There will not be Chef Louis this year. There will not be anything else Little Mermaid related, except for there is one more Mermaid Monday video coming out Monday. And it will be very different from anything else on my channel so far. But I wanted to get on here today to tell you guys that there won't be a whole lot of videos of me showing anything I've made for a bit. Why? Because I'm getting ready for fall. I am pre-recording, I am working on things. So it's summer, and not a lot of people are around their computer. Of course, there's always exceptions. I am one of those people. I am around my computer because Spoonie life. But a lot of people go on vacations or they do things outside, and you know, so this summer will probably be a little sparser in videos than in the past. Now I know I was really sick for several weeks leading up to summer, so there wasn't as much content, but I can still do flip throughs. I can still do you know, organization type things. I can still give you guys tips and tricks. There just won't be a lot of stuff of like things I've made because I don't want to spoil it. I'm making a lot of stuff for my backdrop. I'm making stuff that I'm going to do tutorials this fall. I'm working on a new series for this fall. So there just won't be a lot of like Whip Wednesdays or finished objects to show you. Don't expect a whole lot of like actually crocheted things on the channel. And if you really like seeing my crocheted things and that's what you come for, then come back this fall. There will be things. But while I'm here, if you haven't seen my Broadway Bears, this is Ariel. So she's going to join me for another video coming up very soon. I do have a few videos coming up on the channel pretty soon. I'm reviewing a brand new subscription kit. I'm going to go through every single hook I own and show you guys my entire hook collection. I'm also going to do a very different video coming up on Monday. Don't expect many videos like it because it's kind of a rare thing and I've never done it before. Have I piqued your interest? Have I made you nervous? I'm nervous. So yeah, I just wanted to tell you that we're wrapping up the Mermaids. I'm ready to move on to fall, and I'm ready to have things that like I can actually have showing in the background. Even if we're in my bedroom, at least I can have something that looks fall-ish. We will get back into the stitchery eventually, I promise. If you've seen any videos that are in the stitchery, like any videos that have come out, those were pre-recorded. I haven't been in the stitchery in a while. So I think that's it. I was working on a Star Wars kit. The designer still has not gotten back to me. I'm stuck, you guys. I don't know how to move on. I have no idea what I'm supposed to do. Maybe I should just make it up. I may just have to make it up and tell you guys what I did. If you want to make it too, because the instructions don't make any sense. So we'll have to see. It's been over a week and she has not gotten back to me. So that's kind of irritating because I told her I was stuck and that I was reviewing her kit. You'd think she'd want to get back to me, but again, it's summer. Who knows? A subscription kit at the end of the month that should be here. I have one that's already here and I have to film my unboxing. Then I have I've got some books for you guys. I've gotten questions about my nativity. So yeah, I will show you the book that came from. because a lot of people have asked me questions about that. Let's see what else is coming up on the channel. Some organizational type things, and then some product reviews. So that's kind of what summer's gonna be. Very very tips and tricks and you know, stuff like that. And then there'll be some Spoonie content. So that's what you should expect this summer. So that's it. That's today's video. Very short, to the point. There we go. All right. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the Yarn Zebra family. Don't forget to ring the notification bell so you know every time I post a new video. And have a great day. Remember, life happens, yarn helps, and spoonies can stitch it up.